Hello everybody. In this tutorial we are going to look at auctions on the Sqwid marketplace. So let's get started. I'm already logged into my account, so let's click account. And to go to our personal space we can click view profile. So now we are back on our profile. We can see our available items, which is the clownfish we want to put on auction today. So let's click our clownfish and see what options we have. So now on this description page we have several options, where in the bottom left corner we see available. So today we're gonna do an auction, so let's click create auction. So now the Sqwid marketplace is asking us to put in some information to create the respective auction, which is minimum bid, number of copies and number of minutes. The concept of auctions is more interactive, so users gonna have a certain amount of time to bid on your NFT. So let's say minimum bid. The minimum price I want my NFT to be sold is 5,000 reef. Number of copies is 1, and the number of minutes I'm gonna put in here is, let's say, 10,000. It will auto-complete, so 10,000 minutes is 6 days, 22 hours and 40 minutes. As last time, the service fees will be the same, so you're gonna be charged 2.5% on this transaction. So let's check again. Minimum bid, I'm gonna earn minimum 5,000 reef. Number of copies is 1 and number of minutes is 10,000, which is approximately 7 days. So now we can create the auction. So let's click create auction. So now the extension will pop up and ask me to sign this transaction. So putting in my password. And remember for the next 50 minutes and sign the transaction. Perfect, so that was successful. We got back to our description page of our NFT, and in the bottom left corner we're gonna see a new option now, which is called auction. We see deadline in 7 days, and we see the minimum bid, which is 5,000 reef that we've specified before. So now we can also check if our NFT is successfully listed in auctions. So let's click auctions. Nice, and as you can see here, we see all the available auctions on the Sqwid marketplace, and we see our clownfish. On the top of this preview here, we can see that we've got 6 days and 22 hours left. And the users can now bid on our NFT. So let's click on our NFT. Okay, and there's a very important difference. We can see in the bottom left corner, we do not have the option of unlisting this auction. So whenever you put on an auction and you specify an amount of time, this amount of time will be fixed. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. We're gonna do raffles and loans in the next videos. Please also make sure you check out our blog and all the social media channels like Twitter, Telegram or Discord. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll be happy to answer them.